Just got here to the station. There's other cars here that are modified. Totally random. There's another Subi over there. Looks like he's on T37s. You got another Honda and the blah by. Downshift. Trying to get that good thumbnail. This is crazy. This feels like a dream. Selling stickers, jet tags, and the air fresheners. All of them are in here, about to ship out. Sorry for the slight delay to everyone who placed their order. Something that's absolutely crazy is how this car connects people all around the world. People in the US, New Zealand, United Kingdom, Ireland, Canada. It's just crazy what this car can do and how the car community is. So right now I'm on my way to the post office, making sure that these get dropped off. It's a nice day outside. It's like cloudy, cold, perfect boost weather. I actually just washed the car about an hour ago, so it's long overdue. You guys know, but with the GoPros you can actually see how the shot is being filmed. So here's my phone, there's the shot. That's why I can frame it as best as possible. Crazy for that. And there's the post office. It looks like there's not a lot of cars there. Hopefully it's empty because I still have to buy some postages. Some slight water when I just washed it. I hate that. Then it turns into water spots. Just let the turbo timer do its thing. Do a little 360 fresh wash. Some water spots. Bye bye. All right, let's go drop these off. I'm gonna take out the camera because I don't want to be walking in there with a GoPro mounted to my head. Another Subi over there. Trying to get that good thumbnail. So I'm on my way to go fill up on Team 85, and I just saw a blue Subi right behind the line. So I don't know if he's gonna catch up. I'm trying to see that Subi. I don't see him. He was back there right now. Military bases or bunkers, whatever they are. Well, my GoPro battery is pretty much gonna die anytime soon, as you can see right there. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. If the video shuts off here, hope you guys have a good one. Stay tuned for the next couple videos, and peace out, be safe. Got here to the station. There's other cars here that are modified, totally random. There's another Subi over there, looks like he's on T37s. You got another Honda and the blah by. What are the chances of that?